You saw the boogie board shorts, and it's just like this one. We're at the same beach, and I'm just going to show you how to float. So you put your belly like this, and you breathe in, and now...
Yes!
Perfect! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Mwah! New challenge, everyone! Stand up with your eyes closed! I do not break my bone. I'm going back.
3, 2, 1. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. All right, hold on. There's a wave coming. There's a wave coming. Hold on. Eyes closed. Eyes closed. Eyes closed.
You made me fall!
Eyes closed. Eyes closed. All right, 1.
Go, which one? 3.